Okay guys, so I'm done replacing all 6 of the spark plugs, and now I'm gonna start my engine. And just one tip I'm gonna give you is once you start your engine, you may hear knocking. It's normal for you to hear knocking after replacing spark plugs on some vehicle. Not all of them to do that, but this particular F150 will do that to you, especially if you disconnected the battery, because the way it works is the computer have learned how to operate those spark plugs, and the coils, it kind of teaches itself how to operate the vehicle, right? So once you have everything disconnected, it loses that communication, and it needs to establish it back, right? So if you hear knocking, do not panic. All you have to do is just put your car in the drive and just drive around at a moderate speed. So I did start the vehicle before this video, and I did hear knocking, and all I had to do was just drive it around. My camera wasn't on, so I couldn't really record the whole thing, but I'm gonna fire this up, and then you can see I don't hear any knocking anymore, and there was no need for me to do any other thing. So again, if you hear knocking, don't just drive around, and this is the process of how to replace the spark plugs on the Ford F-150. And hopefully you guys like the video. If you like it, guys, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.